understanding skipping rope in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to talk about a common phrase, skipping rope. This is not just a fun activity, but also an idiomatic expression in English. Let's dive in and explore its meaning and usage. Skipping rope refers to the physical activity of jumping over a rope that is swung so that it passes under the feet and over the head of the person jumping. It's a form of exercise and play commonly enjoyed by children and adults alike. When we talk about skipping rope, we often think of fitness, coordination, and childhood games. Skipping rope is a full-body workout that enhances your coordination, stamina, and cardiovascular health. It's a simple, effective form of exercise that requires minimal equipment, a rope, and can be done almost anywhere. It's also a staple in many workout routines for athletes, especially boxers. In English, we have several idioms that involve the word rope. For example, to be at the end of one's rope means to be in a desperate situation with no more patience or endurance left. However, skipping rope doesn't have an idiomatic meaning. It's taken literally. The act of skipping rope has made its way into popular culture through nursery rhymes, films, and music. It often symbolizes childhood innocence or is used as a cinematic device to show a character's agility and playfulness. I hope you've enjoyed learning about the phrase, skipping rope, and its place in English language and culture. It's a simple phrase but one that brings a lot of joy and health benefits. Keep practicing your English, and maybe take up skipping rope too. It's a great way to stay fit while having fun. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.